In the midst of these happenings today, many people encountered strange things. And one of this is the sky trumpet heard from the sky. Sky trumpets, or trumpets in the sky, are strange sounds or music phenomenon that heard in the skies all over the world. This phenomenon heard all around the world, and many already encountered it. People tell that what they heard was like a trumpet played by angels in heaven. Sometimes they hear angels singing with a very peaceful voice out of nowhere. Then we may be asking questions. What are those things? Who's making the noise? No one is certain what it is or who made those strange noises. Many people connect it to the second coming of our Lord Jesus Christ. If you have encountered something like this or have opinions on this phenomenon, please let us know and tell us your experience. Let's listen to these videos reported online hearing strange noises.
And before we go to the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be updated.
Saturday morning, Spain. This weird noise, sounds like a metallic noise. Supposed to be machinery, but a bit weird. Saturday morning, 7 in the morning. Anyway, probably construction.
There's like a weird sound outside. no machinery nearby or construction, so I have no idea where it's coming from. It's fucking weird.
What is that sound? It's like 6 in the morning, half 6, and I come out here and hear that. It's not even windy. It's not windy and I'm hearing this. Someone explain this for me, because I have no idea what this is.
I have no idea what is going on, but there's like a loud flute sound, loud sound coming from the sky, or some kind of a sound. I don't know if you can hear that. Wow. Wow, what is that? This has been going on for like an hour now. I don't know what it is. Been hearing it inside the house. The window's closed. Wow. That is intense. Yeah, no, it sounds like one of those old trumpets from the biblical times, the shofar. That's wild. It's like 3 hours now this has been going on, over 3 hours, on and off.
Okay guys, so we keep hearing this really strange noise. We're not sure what it is, and we called the police and reported it because at first we thought it was gunshots. But I guess they sent a patrolman over there. They don't know what it is, as far as we know. But just listen. Wait, did you see that flash? Wait, I see flashes over there.
But that can't be thunder.
No, that doesn't look like thunder.
I mean
lightning, yeah. I don't know if you guys can see those flashes.
I can see the
Fireworks, maybe?
No, fireworks would go.
I don't know. I didn't hear anything.
Yeah, mostly fireworks. You'll hear.
Oh wait.
Sounds like a pistol launch.
I don't even know if my phone is capturing this.
Listen to it.
I want to see if I only hear it when I see the lights.
It's over there now. What the frick?
We just heard it all the way over there as well. Are we missing something? Is it a holiday? Is there fireworks? Wait, I hear it again. No light this time.
I actually want to drive and see where it's loudest. But I don't want to drive because I don't want to get shot.
Yeah, sure, let's drive over where it sounds like we hear gunshots.
And get shot. I definitely. Best idea.
That's probably a cop over there.
I don't think so.
I don't know if you guys can hear that, but anyway, we're gonna go inside now.
What the hell is that noise?
And before you go, check out my other video, Angels Caught on Tape Inside China during Outbreak.